Good afternoon, dear students. My name is Mohit and I'm your mathematics teacher. Today, we are going to study the chapter Mensuration. So, the chapter is Mensuration. Do you know the meaning of this chapter? Okay, let me tell you. What is mensuration? Basically, the word mensuration is derived from the Latin word. It is derived from the Latin word that is mensurationum. That is called, it is spelled as like this, mensurationum. Okay, which means to measure. It means to measure anything, to measure. So mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of length, area and volume of length, area and volume. So dear students, as you already studied about these topics in your previous class, and in today in this class, in class 6, you will study this chapter in just an extended level. So let's get started. By using the length, we will find out the perimeter of the basic figures. For example, what is perimeter? The first term is perimeter. You know about the length. Now you will study about the perimeter. What is perimeter? So in simple words, I will say the word perimeter is derived from the Greek word that is perimetros. It is derived from the Greek words that is called perimetros. What it means? It means where peri means around metrons. The peri means about metrons, means measure. This word is also means measure. Got it? And this the perimeter of a closed figure is a distance around the outside of the closed figure. In other words, you will say that in any figure you have to find out the boundary, the total boundary of outer side, like this boundary plus this boundary plus this boundary and this boundary. Suppose this is a square and you know that the all sides of a square are equal. So you will say that the perimeter of square will be equals to sum of all sides. But you know that all sides are equal, so you can write it like as 4 into side. So this is the perimeter of square. Now let's come to the perimeter of rectangle. Now if I talk about a rectangle, you know in rectangle the opposite sides are equal. Now if I say this length represents L, this breadth represents the word B, so the opposite side will be L and the opposite side of B is also B, that is breadth. Now again we have to find the perimeter of rectangle. So for perimeter I will use the word P over here. So it means the sum of all sides, means length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. It is given 2 times breadth and 2 times length. So we have added all the lengths and breadths. Now what we will do, you will know that length plus length will become 2 length and breadth plus breadth will become 2 times breadth. So now we can take common as 2. So we will write in bracket, that is length plus breadth. So basically the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiply in bracket length plus breadth. So this is the perimeter of rectangle. Now dear students, the question will be based on these perimeters you will study in this chapter. Just for example, if I say that we are having a rectangle whose length is 10 centimeters, for example, and the breadth is 4 centimeters. Now we have to find out the perimeter. So first we will write that the length of this rectangle is 10 centimeters and breadth will be equals to 4 centimeters. Now if we have to find the perimeter, what we will do, we will just simply write the formula for the rectangle, that is 2 multiply length plus breadth. This is the perimeter. Now in place of L means length, we will put its value, that is 10 centimeter and on breadth we will write 4 centimeters. So it will become now 2 bracket 14 centimeters, and it will give the answer as 28 centimeters. So this will be our answer. Got it, dear students? Like if I just make a triangle, so if the triangle has unequal sides, like this is a triangle A B C, this side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. If I just take an example, so what will be the perimeter? The perimeter will be sum of all sides, like side AB plus side BC and plus side CA. And what are the values? Like AB is A, BC is B, and CA will be C. So like this way we can find out the perimeter of any triangle. But if we have a triangle with equal sides, mean to say if we have an equilateral triangle. So what is the property of an equilateral triangle? Let me write it over here. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now suppose we have an equilateral triangle named as A, B in C. Now what is the property? Like all sides of equilateral triangle are equal. So if I consider any side as A, it means all sides will be A. Or if I just let the value of the side of an equilateral triangle is 5 centimeter. So what will be the perimeter then? You know that the repeated addition is a type of multiplication, or you can say that multiplication is basically a repeatedly adding any number. So you can write it, instead of writing side plus side plus side, because all sides are equal, you can write it 3 into side. 3 into side. Or you can write it 3 into A. And what is the value of A? It is 5 centimeters. So it will become 15 centimeters. So this is how you can find the perimeter of a triangle. And I hope that you understand. I hope that you understand this topic. Now in the next video, we will discuss about the area of the figures. So all the best, dear students. Take care.